How to cook quinoa in the microwave. Quinoa has enjoyed popularity as a superfood because it's so nutritious and easy to prepare. You can quickly combine quinoa with water in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave the quinoa until the water is absorbed and you can fluff the quinoa with a fork. Serve the quinoa with your favorite meal or use it as a replacement for rice or grains. Microwaving quinoa. Rinse the quinoa. Measure 1 cup 170 grams of quinoa and place it in a fine mesh strainer. Hold the strainer in the sink and run cold water over the quinoa. Rinse the quinoa for a few seconds to remove any bitterness. You can use any color of quinoa in this recipe. For example, try red, white, black, or tricolored. Combine the quinoa with water. Transfer the rinsed quinoa to a medium-sized microwave-safe bowl. Pour in 2 cups 470 milliliters of water and stir the mixture. Cover the bowl. Put a microwave-safe lid on the bowl and put the container in the microwave. If you don't have a lid that fits the bowl, you can use a plate as long as it's microwave-safe. Microwave the quinoa for 6 minutes. Turn the microwave on to cook the quinoa for 6 minutes. Your microwave should be at full power. Stir the quinoa. Open the microwave and carefully lift off the lid from the bowl. Stir the quinoa so it will finish cooking evenly. You might need to wear an oven mitt to hold the hot bowl. A lot of the water should be absorbed by the quinoa. Microwave the quinoa for another 2 minutes. Return the bowl to the microwave and put the lid back on the bowl. Heat the quinoa for 2 more minutes. Rest the quinoa for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave the cooked quinoa to sit in the microwave with the lid on for 5 to 10 minutes. This will give the quinoa a chance to absorb the rest of the water. Fluff the quinoa and serve it. Carefully remove the hot bowl from the microwave and use a fork to fluff the cooked quinoa. Serve the quinoa while it's still warm or let it cool before you store it. To store the quinoa, put it in an airtight container and refrigerate it for 6 to 7 days.